The HPSAW310 is Amada's solution for very high performance cutting. This innovative new saw design redefines high performance cutting with its many innovative features. It is engineered for companies that demand fast cutting for high production, such as forging companies, steel service centers, production cutting houses, and more. This cutting demonstration shows how fast 8-inch diameter 1045 steel can be cut. In about 31 seconds, the HPSAW310 cuts through the part with ease and accuracy. Typical of Amada saws, the HP310 features very heavy-duty construction, innovative design, and the state-of-the-art control technology. There are many innovative design elements in this machine to accomplish such impressive cutting performance. The machine has a zero-twist blade frame. This greatly reduces the stresses on the blade, allowing for much more aggressive cutting without the blade breakage. Notice also the massive structure supporting the blade. Hydraulically actuated blade guides constructed from heavy casting create a rigid supporting structure. Coolant is plumbed directly into the blade guides to ensure adequately supplied to the blade at the correct location. The high-pressure pump supplies coolant to the blade with enough volume and force to properly lubricate and cool the blade during cutting. The CNC control allows for easy and fast job setup. The user selects the material type from a user-defined database, selects the shape of the material, and enters the diameter. The predefined cutting parameters can easily be entered manually using the on-screen numeric keypad. For in-cut monitoring, the blade deviation amount can be set to ensure that your parts are cut straight and within tolerance. Trim cutting can be selected with simple on-off buttons and then entering the trim cut amount. You can also select if you want to do the trim cut automatically or manually. The production run is programmed by entering the part length and quantity required. Additionally, you can easily program the machine to cut various other part lengths and quantities. Manual control of the machine's functions is easily performed through the control interface. For example, to turn the internal chip conveyor on or off, you select the manual operation button, then press the chip conveyor button. During cutting, the machine senses the blade angle which changes during the cutting due to wear on the blade, etc. The sensor, located here behind the stainless steel cover, measures the blade deflection, which is then monitored by the CNC control. Should the limit be exceeded, the machine stops the cutting operation. Motorized wire brushes keep the blade's teeth clear of chips to maximize blade life and cutting performance. The internal drag flight chip conveyor transports the chips to the outside of the machine. Facilitating blade changes, chips are located in several places to support the blade during changing. Mist collection is engineered into the machine design for the best possible performance. To allow for easy part loading, at the back of the machine is a remote pendant that allows you to easily control the rear vise. For safety, the pendant includes a dead man switch and an emergency stop button. Trim cut pieces are automatically redirected away from the production bin. Amada has a long history of innovative saw design and has been a market leader for many decades. The HPSAW310 is another fine example of Amada's innovations taking sawing production to a higher level.